The consequences of a sleepless existence. Sleep deprivation is a widespread issue affecting millions globally. Despite its commonality, many underestimate its profound impact on health and daily functioning, making it a critical topic for awareness. Lack of sleep immediately impairs cognitive function. It reduces attention span, hinders problem-solving abilities, and slows reaction times, making everyday tasks more challenging and increasing the likelihood of mistakes. Short-term physical health consequences of sleep deprivation include weakened immune response, increased susceptibility to infections, and heightened stress levels. These effects can quickly spiral into more severe health issues if not addressed. Emotionally, sleep deprivation often leads to irritability, mood swings, and heightened sensitivity. Over time, these emotional disturbances can strain relationships and negatively impact one's overall mental well-being. Performance and productivity decline sharply without adequate sleep. The brain struggles to process information efficiently, leading to reduced work quality, slower task completion, and increased errors in professional and personal responsibilities. Sleep deprivation disrupts the balance of hormones, leading to increased stress levels and appetite. This hormonal chaos can result in weight gain and heightened susceptibility to anxiety and depression. A lack of sufficient sleep can severely weaken the immune system, making the body more vulnerable to infections and illnesses. This compromised defense mechanism can prolong recovery times. Inadequate sleep negatively impacts cardiovascular health. Chronic sleep deprivation can elevate blood pressure and increase the risk of heart disease, stroke, and other serious cardiovascular conditions. Sleep deprivation increases the risk of developing diabetes by affecting insulin sensitivity and glucose metabolism. Poor sleep can lead to higher blood sugar levels and insulin resistance. Disrupted sleep patterns can wreak havoc on the digestive system, causing issues like acid reflux, indigestion, and altered gut microbiota. This can lead to discomfort and long-term gastrointestinal problems. Sleep deprivation significantly hampers memory and learning, disrupting the brain's ability to consolidate new information. Without adequate rest, cognitive functions falter, making it difficult to retain knowledge and perform complex tasks. Chronic lack of sleep strains social interactions and relationships, as irritability and mood swings become more frequent. Over time, this emotional volatility erodes trust and communication, leading to potential conflicts and isolation. Prolonged sleep deprivation contributes to severe mental health issues, such as anxiety and depression. These conditions not only diminish quality of life, but also create a vicious cycle, further impacting sleep quality. The risk of accidents increases dramatically with insufficient sleep. Drowsiness impairs reaction times and decision-making, making everyday activities like driving or operating machinery perilous, endangering both personal and public safety. Sleep plays a crucial role in the body's detoxification processes, especially in the brain. During deep sleep, the brain clears out harmful waste products, maintaining neurological health and preventing cognitive decline. Sleep is crucial for growth and repair, facilitating cellular regeneration and muscle recovery. Deep sleep stages are particularly important for the release of growth hormones, essential for bodily healing and development. Lack of sleep significantly impacts skin health, leading to premature aging. Reduced blood flow to the skin and lower collagen production can result in wrinkles, dull complexion, and dark circles. Severe sleep deprivation can lead to hallucinations, blurring the line between reality and imagination. These distortions in perception highlight the brain's desperate need for rest and proper functioning. Chronic sleep deprivation is linked to long-term mortality risks, including heart disease and stroke. Prioritizing sleep is essential for extending life expectancy and maintaining overall health. In conclusion, adequate sleep is indispensable for well-being, affecting every aspect of health. Ensuring sufficient rest is vital for physical, mental, and emotional balance, ultimately enhancing life quality.